Welcome back to the morning show. It is 6:50, time for our Chemist Corner. And as you may notice behind us, the set in here is under construction. Jesse Miller, it's kind of changing colors. It goes into what we're talking about today, the leaves changing colors.
That's right. It's fall. It's time for the leaves. As you can see, they're just now starting to change colors, so I thought it would be a good time to talk about this because I needed to catch some leaves while they were still green.
Perfect.
To do this. Okay, the leaves are changing colors, you know, but why do they change colors? I guess first thing you should probably ask is why they're green in the first place, and you probably know that, right?
Photosynthesis
right.
and chlorophyll.
Yeah. Right, chlorophyll, right? And everybody knows chlorophyll, but how about carotenes?
No.
Or pheophytons.
Beta carotene.
That's right. The beta
really?
carotene is actually, we're on the same track here. You got carotenes, you got pheophytons, lutins, neoxanthins. There's a bunch of other chemicals that are just as important for the photocycle in photosynthesis as chlorophyll. But chlorophyll gets all the press, right? And here actually, I took some leaves and mushed them up and extracted all the goodies here. It kind of looks like Vulcan blood, right? But this is the chlorophyll and all the other goodies in there, and it's mostly green because the chlorophyll, we'll see here in a second, is dominant. But when a certain amount of time has gone by over the summer, and then the light starts to, you know, the days start to get shorter. There's not as much light. The chlorophyll, through a couple of different processes, as the trees go dormant and all the sugars go down into the root system, the chlorophyll goes away.
Oh, okay.
Okay. And when the chlorophyll goes away, you start to see these other chemicals that stay in the plant, and they have different colors. Now, what I have here, oops, let me set this down, is I took some of that chlorophyll and I put it on what's called a TLC. It's a TLC plate. A thin layer chromatography. Okay, and I put it on this plate, and then when we put it in the developing chamber, and this is going to be too slow for us to see. We've done this before with ink. It'll rise up. It'll rise up, and it'll separate it into its different components depending upon the polarities of the different molecules. And as we see here, up here, in this top band, these are the carotenes. And you can see they're kind of, I took these from a maple tree that turns yellow and orange, so you can see the carotenes are kind of yellow and orange, goldish color. This band here, this is the pheophytons, it's kind of an olive green. And here we have chlorophyll A and chlorophyll B, and you can see they're probably the darkest of the two colors. And then we get into the lutins, and then the neoxanthins and things like that. But you can see there's quite a bit of gold and yellow color in there. And so when the chlorophyll goes away, we're left with just the gold colors.
Interesting.
And so this reason why, so it's not that the leaves are actually changing color, it's that the chlorophyll's gone away and you're able to see the other colors that are underneath it. Okay, so yes, they're changing color, but you just no longer have the green dominating over the top of them.
Very interesting.
Yeah, it's pretty cool. And the whole photosystem, the way plants make their food is really interesting. And the chlorophyll is the powerhouse of the whole. It takes the light in and provides the driving energy for the electrons to move through and drive.
Does a lot of the work. That's why it gets all the press.
That's why it gets all the press.
Most people know all that stuff about it. Well, I was trying to wear the green for you, so they can make this tie change colors because it's the same as our chroma key wall. Yeah, so it's very cool. All right, well, thanks for that information. So now the kids out there may know if they go to school, know why the leaves change when they're driving to see them.
That's right.
All right, very good. We'll put this on our website, IllinoisHomepage.net. Kind of new now. You go on IllinoisHomepage.net, hit news, and then morning show pops up. Hit morning show, and Chemist Corner segment will be on there a little later. You'll be back in 30 minutes with something cool and exciting.